Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful centerpieces where I use a wooden stick from Dollar Tree. Are pretty simple to do. If I could do it, so can you. So let's not forget to hit the like button and let's not forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Please let's not forget to hit the little bell button where you get notified every time I post a new video. I will be posting every week. So make sure to hit the little bell button. And with that said, let's get started into this video. So the first thing I did was grab this wooden stick from Dollar Tree. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint it just like that. You could choose whatever color you would like. So then after you spray paint it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hot glue and I'm gonna attach them together like a triangle. So I'm just gonna put the hot glue and make sure to hold it a little bit while so it can stay in place. So then you're just gonna go ahead and hold it, take the other piece, and you're gonna attach it to each side. You're gonna put hot glue on each corner and attach it together, just like that. Just gonna go ahead and continue doing that. Then once you have the bottom part, you're gonna go ahead and do the top one. You're gonna go ahead and put the first stick down, and then you're gonna place the other one in the other corner and place it down. Then just go ahead and hold it with one hand, and with the other hand, take the other stick and put your hot glue and attach it to the bottom. Then just place them together like that, and then just put hot glue on the top of each stick, just like that. And then just hold it down a little bit before you let go. Then make sure to put enough glue so it can stay in place, just like that. So then after you continue your triangle, I grab these flower foam board from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle to mark it down and see where it's gonna be straight and right in the middle. So make sure to do that, and then just make the little hole. Put some hot glue inside, just like that, and then just gonna go ahead and stick it inside, just like that. Hold it down so it can hold in place, and then after you turn around like that, just put some hot glue inside, just like that, so it can hold perfectly fine. Then after that, you're just gonna go ahead and grab your flowers. You could use Dollar Tree flower, but I recommend for you to use other flowers so it can look more beautiful. I will put the link down below where you can get these flowers, which are so pretty. And then you're just gonna go ahead and attach all the flower around it. I recommend for you guys to use hot glue for these to attach it, but because I'm doing it for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it through it. And this is how it turns out, super cute. So the next step I did was grab one of these candle holder glass base, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint them all around it. I'm not gonna spray paint it all, I'm gonna sprinkle it. I'm not gonna paint it all around it, just a little bit so you give me a little light once I put the candle inside. Then the next step I did, I got these beads. I will put the link down below where you can get them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint them in gold as well, so it could be matching with the candle, just like that. Then after you have your base, just put it on top, grab your candle, light it up, and put it inside. And look how cute it's turning out, super cute. Then go ahead and I grab these picture frame from Dollar Tree, the small one that they have. I'm gonna take the thing out, and I'm gonna grab this glitter paper that they have as well, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out and trace it the same side as the inside of the mirror, just like that. Then go ahead and put your mirror inside again, just like that. And then I grabbed this marker that they sell that is for mirrors, and you're just gonna go ahead and draw two. You will not be able to see my two that good because the marker wasn't working as good. And this is how beautiful it turns out, you guys. It's super cute and easy to do, and it will look fabulous on any party decoration that you guys do. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know down below what you guys think. If it's missing something, what would you have done different? Let me know what you think of these decorations. I really recommend it. It looked just super cute. So with that said, let's get into the next DIY. So for the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, and I'm gonna use the same base. I'm just gonna put a hole in the middle just like that and put some hot glue. So I made another triangle like the first one. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on top and hold it in place. Then make sure to put a lot of hot glue on the middle so it can hold in place, just like that. Then I got this candle, and what I'm gonna do with this candle is just take it apart, the top and the bottom, and then in the middle, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint it in gold so it can match my centerpiece, just like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my hot glue and put a lot of hot glue on the bottom and then place it in the middle so it can hold in place just like that. And this is another way, another centerpiece that you can do it, and you can just leave it as that, plain just with a candle. I'm doing a different style, so you decide which one you like better. Please let me know which one you think is the cutest one. Then for the next one, I'm gonna take the little base and I grab some little bit of branches and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around it, just like that. And I'm gonna take my flower. For this, make sure to use some hot glue and make sure to hold it in place so they don't fall apart for the end of your event. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue attaching my little branches with hot glue as well. Just like that. And then you're just gonna go ahead and continue attaching your flower all around the base, and make sure to put 3 branches on each corner and in the middle. And that's how I did it. And then I also did, I'm gonna place the candle now in the middle as well, like I did in the other centerpiece. And I also placed 2 flowers on each side. Here you could just play with it and do however you would like it. Either way, it's gonna turn out super cute. Then I just went ahead and grabbed my beads and I'm just gonna place it on each side of my base. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue attaching them to each side. After I do that, I'm gonna take a safety pins and I'm gonna put it through the little hole of each one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I'm gonna take a little candle holder and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle. Then you're just gonna go ahead and grab your candle and place it in the middle, and let's make sure to use the flameless candle. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some of these my rhinestone, and I'm just gonna put the link down below where you can get them as well. I'm just gonna put some hot glue on each part and I'm gonna attach it to the wooden stick. So I'm just gonna go ahead all around my centerpieces and I'm just gonna cut out the beads to each side, and then I'm gonna continue attaching it until I attach the whole thing.